Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cat litter boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nature's Miracle High-Sided Litter Box. The Nature's Miracle Advanced High-Sided Cat Box is a well-made cat litter box designed to keep everything that should be inside of it. Its 23.4 by 15.5 by 11-inch dimensions provide enough space for even the largest of cats to maneuver inside of it. The Advanced High-Sided Cat Box has no hood or odor mitigation, but if you clean and replace your cat's litter on a regular basis, this shouldn't be an issue. It's a narrow litter box with high sides to keep both urine and litter inside the box. Thanks to its lack of a lid, scooping out soiled litter and cat waste is easy. When the time comes to empty it, its 3 well-sized built-in handles make dumping out old spent cat litter a breeze. Moving on at number 4, we have the Catit Jumbo Hooded Litter Pan. The Catit Jumbo Hooded Cat Pan is a hooded litter box equipped with a filter to reduce odors. The Jumbo Hooded Cat Pan comes in 2 pieces, which are held together by 4 sliding latches. Unfortunately, I found that I was never able to secure all 4 latches at the same time. This might not be an issue for those who are able to clean the litter box in place. However, if the litter box needs to be relocated, the hoods being insecure could become an issue. This box has a swinging door that my cats simply did not approve of. In order to check the Jumbo Hooded Cat Pan, I ended up having to fold the door back so my cats would be comfortable using it. While the door is reasonably sized, scooping out cat waste through it was difficult. At number 3, we have the Petmate Booda Cleanstep Litter Dome for cats. The Petmate Booda Cleanstep Litter Dome is a hooded cat box with a filter to reduce odors. As with other hooded litter boxes in this guide, the latches that secure the hood to the lower half of the Booda dome were questionable at best. That said, outside of this, I was pleased with its overall build quality. With its 20 by 24 by 19-inch dimensions, the Cleanstep Litter Dome sounds like it should have plenty of room for all but large cats. However, half of the inside of the box is eaten up by a steep plastic ramp, designed to allow cats easier access to their bathroom. While this might be desirable for those with elderly cats or young kittens, the amount of space the Cleanstep Litter Dome devotes to litter is limited. Punch got to the top of the ramp, felt litter under her paws, and let loose, causing a cat pee waterfall. The Cleanstep Litter Dome's ramp has a tread pattern molded into it, likely to help cats climb and to catch litter. If you have a messy cat, or your feline companion is on the extra large side, you may want to consider a different option. At number 2, we have the ModCat Flip Litter Box. The ModCat Flip Litter Box is a lidded cat box with no filter. However, you can purchase a filter to add to it. Measuring 20.08 by 14.96 by 16.93 inches and available in several colors, its unique design provides high sides with a lid that can be adjusted to 3 different positions. This adjustability makes scooping out litter without removing the lid a cinch. The ModCat Flip has a removable, reusable liner. This made emptying soiled litter easy. It also proved adept at preventing the main part of the litter box from getting scratched up by my cat's claws. However, the liner has seams and features a textured surface. As such, you'll need to scrub the liner with soap and water in order to completely clean your cat's mess out of it. ModCat also offers replacement liners, should your cats wear the one that comes with the litter box out, or if you want to cycle through a couple, instead of immediately washing a soiled liner out. The ModCat Flip kept litter inside, but Punch still managed to pee out of its doorway. And finally, at number 1, we have the PetFusion BetterBox Large Non-Stick Litter Box. The PetFusion BetterBox Large Non-Stick cat litter box is a one-piece model with no odor mitigation. Its simple design lends itself to durability, and as it doesn't have a hood, cleaning it is a breeze, especially when the non-stick material that covers its floor is factored in. That said, we'd love it more if it had handles to assist in dumping it out or carrying it when it's full of litter. Additionally, its wide, shallow entryway allows litter to scatter outside of the box. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.